y'all. So we back. I have successfully completed the haying of everything. I might sweep this porch off, I don't know. But I got everything squared away. We got everything covered up so that the seeds can maintain some heat. It is still cool here. And I'm really just starting to water the seeds. I actually just laid them in the ground just to let them get acclimated. And that's my okra right there. I just went ahead and covered up, even though the collard greens, you know, they can handle cold temperatures at night, you know, so they ain't gonna really have no problem. But I still just want to make sure that everybody covered up real good. Hopefully I gave the cabbage right here enough cover. And I got some pepper scraps that I had from peppers that I had over the winter that I saved. That's what's in these containers here, pepper scraps, and a few of these here too. So we're getting it done. I bought a strawberry plant today. That's what's in this pink little setup, and some herbs right there in that one. And I just got it outside, you know, instead of leaving them in the house, so I don't have to. I come out here every day, so I'll be gardening on my lunch break. So this is everything. I got onions, red onions. I'm hoping I get some, y'all. I never do. I never get any onions, but I can't give up, because I can grow peppers, I can grow tomatoes, I can grow watermelon, squash, cantaloupe, peas. The last thing I need, and my scallions and my onions and stuff, the baby ones, I can do those, but I want to get the regular size. Even if they just like shallots, I'll be happy with that. But I've got to learn how to grow an onion. So y'all stay with me. We're going to get this. And we got our herbs over here. And I left the microgreens is in that it's not focusing. Okay. So the microgreens is in that brown looking pot. This one. I got some microgreens in there. I got some bunch of little small scallion onions, which we love, and some spinach, and right there in that pot. And I think they're doing all right. So I really didn't cover them up. I'm not really worried about them over frosting, because those are hardy in the cold these little early winter months. So I'm still good with that. So sorry how the grass look. It looks terrible, but we're gonna cut it all up and make it look good in a minute. So that is it. Just want to catch you up. If you haven't started gardening, go ahead and make sure it's your time first. I'm in 7A, so if it's not your time, you know, don't start gardening yet. Wait until noisy cars pass by. But you want to wait until it's your time to start planting, or you can start indoors. Make sure you utilize the information that you learned from last year to correct mistakes. You don't have to grow everything. Just be good at a few things, and as long as you can grow something to feed your family, you are good to go. So until next time, I'll see you later. Hey, this is just a quick video. Somebody asked, Nicole, how do you know that this is going to work with this straw? Well, take a look at this. This is grass growing on top of the hay, right? So look at these roots right here. You see how nice and healthy these roots are? For this grass, nice and thick. This is what you're looking for. So this is perfect. It's holding water. It's nourishing the grass. Does this grass look beautiful and healthy? Yes, it does. Too bad I gotta mess it all up, but it's definitely gonna work. So let's answer your question. Hey everybody, and we back, and I got the greenhouse open up today. I got everything in there organized for the most part. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with these pallets. I got all my pots and everything put together. I don't know if I'm gonna be using any of this shit this year, but we'll figure it out. I got me some 10, 10, 10. I'm gonna be throwing up there later. Everything is ready to go. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's messy. But the greenhouse held up. Only thing is, an ant bed came and ants decided they was gonna take over. And I'm thinking about putting something in this corner. Maybe my water, some of my watermelon that get big. I'm gonna move this chair, of course. I took it off the porch while I was, a lot of this stuff off the porch while I was doing the carpet. But so what we got going on now is for the backyard. Of course, we're gonna grow back in our little raised bed we did. Remember, we did this last year with the box that the greenhouse came in. We put this together. So this year, I just refreshed the soil, raked it up, moved it around. I done put a little blood meal down, and then I put some squash. I got some yellow squash on this side, and I'm gonna do some butternut squash on this side. I know I won't end up moving the stuff around. Look at my dog, just chilling. I know I'm gonna have to move some of that around because that ain't gonna be enough space once that squash start getting big. So for that, I'm going to, good gracious, we gotta cut this yard. But I'm going to finish digging all these weeds up because that hay, I set the pallets up. If you've seen that video, I set the pallets up already with the hay and the dirt from the containers that I had back here. We broke all that stuff down. So what I'm going to do is I'll use this as an overflow for the squash, and I'm going to put some rutabagas back here. I've never really grown rutabagas because that's like a root plant. I don't know if they'll do real good on this pallet, so I might have second thoughts about that. And I got some, I got my hands full. And I got some spinach. I don't think I want to put no spinach back here, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with these pallets yet. I did put some peppers up there and the pallet on top of that AC room. I put some peppers in there. I found a snake over there in that corner where all that high grass is. I'm gonna have to wait till we get these grass cut for me to troll back over there again. I ain't even having that, y'all know. I ain't had my shovel with me to chop it up, so I just let it live that day. But that's just part of gardening. Y'all can't be no weapon or what's up. But yeah, everything is coming along. We are in the early stages of spring, so it's raining a lot. So I'm trying to take advantage of this extra rain that we got, to get everything popping. So that is about it. I just wanted to bring you part 2 for the backyard. I just talked myself out of doing the other part that I was going to do, because I don't think the dirt is really deep enough to handle them rutabagas. I might have to set them up somewhere else. But we're going to figure it out as we continue. Until next time, guys. See you later.